guys, well, I am someone who's always late. And if you keep running late just like I do, and if you want your hair to look just like mine will in the end of the video, then I have just the perfect solution for you. So let's get started. A hairbrush or a thin back comb, bobby pins matching your hair color, a pen, a strong hairspray. Girls, just make sure that the hairspray that you're using has a strong hold, or you'll end up losing the shape very soon. Now for those who don't have hair like mine, I have hair almost till my mid-back, but for all you short hair babes, puff is not for you. Now one thing I must tell you, for someone with a forehead like mine, the puff has to be in the front. So guys, let's start. What I'm gonna do is put my hair back and use my brush. You can take a thin strip of hair depending on how big you want the puff to be, spray it and backcomb it. Now take this strip of hair and roll it between your fingers, making a soft roll of it. Don't worry if the hair comes out from the sides. You can gently push it inside the roll as it settles on your head, giving it the desired shape. Smooth over and make it nice and even on both the sides. In order to get the perfect shape, if you do not have a back comb, just use a pen to lift the hair strands. Now firm this look using your bobby pins. Finally, smooth and brush down any stray strand using your hairspray so this stays in really tight and is a life-saving technique. So this was just the poof. Now I'm going to show you the sexy poof with two braids from the sides just to add some zing to it. So guys, these were my two looks. I think they were absolutely fabulous and I hope that you love them too, and I hope that your friends love them as well, and I hope that you try them at home. But for all you lazy ones, I have these bumpets that are available in the market very easily. Look at this one. This will give you a small bump. It's kind of easy to put on your hair because it'll just slide through, and similarly on the same lines, it's this one and it's kind of like a smaller crown. Just in case you have like a smaller face and you want to take just a little amount of hair. And this one is going to be a very big crown on your head. So it depends on what you prefer and what you like. That's it for today on the puffs. I hope you love them. I hope you try them at home. Until next time, stay stylish with Pop Exo.